Hey, the last week, the other update I wanted to give was that I attended the AI Agent World Tour in London. And the cool thing about this is that the Neo4j people were also at this event, and specifically the engineers that worked in their agentic features. So I got to actually ask them questions about uh, things that I was getting stuck with my own agent in Neo4j, and they were able to show me some ways to debugging the agent. I was able to give them specific feedback as to what was working, what was not working, and yeah, I made really three amazing connections with Neo4j engineers, which is always like a fantastic thing when it's such an important part of the tech stack that I'm building. They also very kindly gave me another graph book, so which fantastic. I can add it to this one. And one of the things that I've been working through has been to just wrap up, well, progress through the Building Knowledge Graph book. I'm now around page 100 out of 275 pages. And it's been much easier to focus on just this part of the technology now that I have a designer. I think that's something that I learned has been really important, that if I delegate tasks to other people that have specialty, and the example is hiring a designer that can help me flesh out the user flows. I love how the confetti keeps going on. I wasn't sure why this was happening, but I'm loving it. If I'm delegating tasks to the designer, I can then focus on things that also progress the app forward. And in this case, is understanding better how to model the data and how the graph database is going to look like. So I can focus a lot more on just getting through the book, getting through the examples, working through understanding the concepts of yeah, how to execute like analytics on a graph model, or how to eventually do a federation um, of graph databases, or how to optimize queries. Like all these things that are in the book are things that I can fully focus myself on, because I know there's other people helping me with different parts of the business. So definitely an important lesson that I shouldn't be trying to do everything by myself. And there's a proverb that comes to mind. It is, if you want to go fast, go by yourself, and if you want to go far, go with people. And I get a sense that it's there's a lot of wisdom in that proverb, because I can feel I can go much further now that I'm recruiting a designer person that can help me flesh out user flows. And now I can focus on the graph database. And this will feed back into being able to hire an engineer that can help me with the app. So all of these things are about building a team that is going to help me leverage their skills, so that we basically get so that we can progress much farther, much farther down the journey, that if I was just trying to do all of it myself. So yeah, that's today's update, and hope you enjoy this little catch up call. See you on the next episode.